Mamata Banerjee is not just the newsmaker of the day or the newsmaker of the week. In many ways, she is the newsmaker of the year. The Trinamool Congress's chief and the West Bengal chief minister makes sure that her voice is heard loud and clear in New Delhi and that the UPA government has to stand up and listen. Her views are always expressed extremely bluntly. Now, as her nominee Mukul Roy gets ready to take charge as railway minister, we talk to the West Bengal Chief Minister on where she believes equations with the Congress stand today. Mamata, thank you so much for talking to us. Are you satisfied with the fact that the Dinesh Trivedi issue has finally been settled? Are you happy with the way it's been settled?
I don't think this is an issue to me. I didn't came here only for this issue, no. I just came here because 9 months I have not get the time to meet my colleagues in Parliament, especially Central Hall. I have my old friends and just to remember my down memory lane because
a nostalgia trip.
Yes, that's and I thought that I should have met the Honorable Speaker also because he is very fond of us. So whenever I came to Delhi for a day or two, I didn't get the time. So this time I said, okay, for a day or two, let me go and to meet the people. And I have decided whenever the Parliament will be on, then for a day I will be coming, I will be going to Central Hall and take idli, dosha and dhokla, whatever you say. Even the aloo, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Bhanda, yeah. And
aloo
coffee and coffee and also meet the people, because sometimes India is a country, we have to meet each other sometimes, and our friendship should be strong also, and we should meet each other.
You met with the Prime Minister today, and now Mukul Roy is getting ready to take charge as the new Railway Minister. The Trinamool has been upset that the Congress has been showing a big brother attitude, not respecting you as an equal ally. Do you feel they're finally learning their lesson that they have to take Mamata Banerjee very seriously?
No, Mamata Banerjee is not that serious. Mamata Banerjee is just a casual worker and just like a commoner. That is not the matter. It is not an ego matter. You know, there must be some mechanism. I think in our alliance politics, in our democracy, when single largest party is not in power, there the alliance party means the regional parties must get their share and their proper respect also. I respect from each and every political party. Suppose UP, suppose Bihar, suppose Tamil Nadu, everywhere, Maharashtra to Odisha to Bihar, everywhere. Every state they have their own compulsion, they have their own political problems, they have their local issues. This issue, I think the Delhi people, they don't understand their local issue. That's why sometimes the confusion comes. If there is a mechanism through where we can coordinate our view, we can monitor, we can raise our views, and that views we can discuss and we can settle the issue. That mechanism can sort out all these small problems. That is not there. That's why this problem sometimes a small issue, and nowadays so many medias. Now if you say something, the motion also sometimes it is just like breaking news, so distorted and blown up. So some problem also arise because of this also. So I think there must be some coordination.
But do you feel the Congress has been arrogant in its dealing with your party?
They are their number one allies party, so it don't look nice to say anything. I have a good relation with Sonia ji, no problem for that. We never quarreled or
no
problem with her. She is not well, that's why this time we could not disturb her. But otherwise, Prime Minister is also a nice man. He is not that political man, or he is a good man. But maybe some coordination gap, because when Rajiv ji was in power, that time there is a communication, no problem. Middleman, they could not play the role. Now if my party, if I say something, it is not that I am saying, or all the families, the collective families of the party, all MPs, all MLAs decide together, whatever we want to discuss, we decide amongst ourselves, we discuss amongst ourselves, and then we said this is our policy. Now Congress party also, they may be the big party, but sometimes when in alliance politics, you have to trust the alliance also. Sometimes it won't look nice and it won't give good message that if Mamata is not satisfied means we have some issue. What issue? Why these problems? Congress party, they have their manifesto. The regional parties, they have their manifesto. Now before coming here, we contested the election. Then we have some people issue, and this is a major issue, like FDI, the retail market issue, like this insurance, the privatization issue, like this price hike issue. It is not that we are saying it today. You have seen our manifesto. There clear cut we mentioned that if these issues are violated, if anybody wants to interfere in this issue, then we will take a stand on behalf of the people, because our party is pro-people party. But there are some issues unnecessarily created, like this Lokpal. Lokpal, we are in favor of Lokpal. But when it was discussed earlier, they included suddenly the Lokayuk. If they should not include the Lokayuk, there is no problem, nothing. So unnecessarily it's a creation. Now in our federal structure, according to our constitution, you cannot interfere unnecessarily for the state matter. Now there is a tendency to bulldoze the state government and to interfere in every federal structure business. That's why this confusion is creating. Like this Lokpal issue.
Or NCTC reference.
NCTC also the same. NCTC, you see, it is more than Tada and Pota. Why I am saying from the beginning. Because I have seen the clause and paragraph. They never consulted. Number one, it's a serious issue. They never consulted with the alliance, even the state government. Now, everybody appreciate that yes, we want to work against a terrorist. That we appreciate. But if you want to work against a terrorist, you have to work together. You tell me in your house, when you stay in a house, it's a family. If family is peaceful, then your life is peaceful. If you are peaceful, you cannot maintain your life without the family, the peaceful life. Everybody is to be peaceful. Now what happened? Now if you want to combat the fight against of terrorism, then you have to take into confidence to the state government also, because state government is your pillar. They are the key icon in the state. Every state, they have the few states, they have their international border. Few states, they have their national border, state border. There are so many India diversity of system. So this system, unity in diversity is our system. So there you cannot take it granted that whatever you can do unnecessarily to create problem, you cannot create confusion. What happened? NCTC. Now 2-3 clause I have seen. Number one, central government directly can lodge FIR, arrest the people, give the charge sheet, and give anybody to UAPA Act. UAPA is more dangerous, you know. Yeah. Number two, then they say that they can requisite any police whatever they want. That means the administration will be breaking. It is just like breaking news. It will be just a cracking for the administration. If some people are doing the good work, you want to just suddenly, I want to withdraw this officer. Can you behave like this?
You walked out, your party walked out today on...
No, our party abstaining from the voting because I am with the UPA. Now if this UPA 2, now our problem is, our party decided that if we vote for this, after consultation they may implement it, then my vote will be recorded there. Number two, if I vote for it, it will go against of us spirit and the federal structure spirit. And number two, if I vote against of the government, then it won't look nice because we are with the government. That's why we thought that it is better to abstaining from the situation. And again I am telling you that unnecessarily it has been included our Honorable President's address. It should not be.
Why do you think the Congress is making these mistakes?
I don't know, it is mistake or what text,
or
I
deliberate?
don't know. Dekho, when I met earlier 22nd of February last month, Prime Minister, because of this issue, then I said categorically, sir, you don't do it. If the state are together, then you do it without consultation of the state. If they don't agree, then don't do it. Not only me, the Prime Minister from PM office, they send a press release to all the media that without the consultation it won't be implemented. Yes. After that, it was unnecessarily to create a confusion. Why they have included it? President, we respect her like anything. It's a constitutional respectable position. So it should not be. So we feel hurt, and that's why it is not that deliberately we abstaining, or it is an issue from the beginning. There are some issues where you cannot compromise. Congress cannot compromise with their issue. How do we compromise with our issue? So there can be no compromise on NCTC in its present form. Is that clear, Mamta? I think, of course, Lokpal, yes, you bring it. We will give you full support. Lokayukt, it is a state matter, leave it to the state. I don't mind, it's a Congress state or BJP state or Naveen Patnaik ji state or Nitish Kumar ji state or Mulayam ji state. Every state needs that central should not interfere in their law and order business. It's a law and order business.
Now the increase in rail hikes has been another issue. Your party said it goes against the DNA of the Trinamool. Are you ready to accept a partial rollback where upper class passengers fare hike is permitted but not the lowest strata?
No, I am telling you one thing, that when this budget is pending with the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, I think this is a prerogative of the minister or the parliament to take a decision. I am not going to interfere in this business. But what we said earlier, that look, before this rail budget, 20%, I think some possibility 20%, the freight already hiked. So they have already earned 20,000 crores of money from the freight rate. So it is already there. So there was no necessary that at this moment to increase freight rate and the fare hike together. Now you have to appreciate, they have said 2 paisa, 4 paisa. It may be that somebody misguided. You see, in railway, 1 kilometer is no matter. In railway, it is 100 kilometer to 1000 kilometer, 4000 kilometer. This is the route kilometer.
So the distance really defines the
even in Indian Railway, more than 50% people, they used to travel by the suburban railways, the urban railways, the local railways. Now all the office goers, it may be in Mumbai, it may be in Delhi, it may be in Bangalore, it may be in Calcutta, it may be everywhere. Actually, the main passengers earnings, it comes from the poor urban area. Now you will appreciate that urban areas, some people they are the government employees, some people they are very poor, they are the private companies, they work. So every day they used to come and they used to go. Now if you include 2 paisa, if you say, it is not 2 paisa. Every day, suppose from Howrah to Burdwan, it's a place only 100 kilometers. Suppose Delhi to Ghaziabad. If you calculate 2 paisa, it means every day it will be 4 rupees. Now if you calculate 4 rupees, you calculate with the monthly, then it will be 120 rupees. That means the increase is for the poor people, it is 120 rupees to 150 rupees. Now the daily passenger, every passenger is affecting for this. They will be the sufferer. Number 2, their monthly income is not increasing. Even the government employees, they are also facing the troubles. Even who are the private employees, there are some poor peoples, they are not getting this opportunity. And Indian Railway, the beauty of the Indian Railway, the sleeper class is a beauty to travel for the commoner. The common people, they used to travel by the sleeper class. It is not the Rajdhani class. I am telling about second class sleeper and the third sleeper, the third, who cannot afford the Rajdhani first class or second class. You have to live for that, one class at least for the commoner, one class, tier and sleeper for the poor people who can travel. Now they are also from 100, I think 100 to 150 rupees has been increased in particular in one sleeper ticket. So I think these 2-3 areas we have to think about the matter.
Were you disappointed that the Prime Minister praised the budget, the rail budget? Were you disappointed?
Prime Minister, this is the customary of the Prime Minister to praise all the budget. It may be finance or railway always. If it is bad, then I have to praise. Because Prime Minister is leading, so it is his customary to praise. So I don't mind for that.
But Mamtati, you felt that Dinesh Trivedi did not consult the party before he announced the budget. Will you be allowed to stay on the party?
I have no comments against of that. Maybe some misunderstanding, maybe others quarter also. Some people play a foul role maybe, but he is with us, and today also meeting he was present, and he said that I will want to continue with the party. So I think nothing is with us.
Who do you believe played a foul role? Who do you said some people
I
played
don't know,
a foul
I don't
role.
know, maybe, but from our side we can tell you that our party is a very transparent. We believe our credentials is our only credibility, that we are not going to compromise, and we are the poor people party. Barkha, it may be from Delhi, some people who knows good English, who can't speak good English, because I am telling you the reality bites sometimes, because we are from the very middle class family. We have not come from the English medium school. We came from our regional languages school. Now if I can't speak good English, Spanish English, then they are the middle class. So whatever you can do, whatever you can do against a middle class, always, whatever the language you can utter without knowing into details, you can blame the middle class like anything. I have seen in my life, I struggled so much. I have not get support from anyone. When I was a railway minister, did the planted story every day that Mamata Banerjee is not giving attention for the railway ministry. Now the development what you have seen, it is not for today. I planned all this, and that's why. You have to realize one thing, the middle class people, they are also the human being. I cannot speak good English, that's why you cannot just bulldoze me every day.
Nobody can bulldoze you. Nobody can bulldoze you.
Some people are trying, I know some people are trying, they can speak some good English, and that's why they thought that this is only the elite class. I don't think elite class, the quality is only speaking the good English. Elite class, I consider what the good human being, and we think that our capital is our humanity.
Do you think these people are in the Congress party who are playing?
I am not mentioning any name of the party. My ishara kafi hai.
Ishara बहुत काफी है Mamta ji. In the end, I'd like to ask you. Some people say Mamata Banerjee wants an early election. Mamata Banerjee wants a third front.
अरे भाई ममता बनर्जी के खिलाफ में ममता बनर्जी किस
खिलाफ नहीं, just people say.
देखो जो आदमी पॉलिटिकली नहीं फाइट कर सकता है ना, उसका कोई एलर्जी होता है. ममता बनर्जी इज देयर एलर्जी मे बी, बट आई एम द एनर्जी ऑफ द पीपल. आई डोंट माइंड वॉट एवर इज ट्रूथ, यू हैव टू स्पीक आउट. आई डोंट माइंड फॉर दैट. ये तो होता ही है, क्रिटिक तो रहता है, क्रिटिक को बोलने दो, वो तो अच्छा है.
विल यू कंटिन्यू टू सपोर्ट द गवर्नमेंट और इज द क्वेश्चन ओपन?
देखो हमारा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जब हम वादा किया है, आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू विथ रिस्पेक्ट. विथ रिस्पेक्ट आपको इज्जत भी देना है.
इज्जत क्या मिली है? अभी तक मिली है?
देखो प्रॉब्लम तो हो रहा है, इसी के लिए हम चाहते हैं कोई मैकेनिज्म हो जिसमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. बिकॉज वी नेवर क्रिएटेड एनी प्रॉब्लम. डोंट कंसिडर अस like other political party. We are coming from the struggle, we are coming from the grassroots. Now it is not that we born in a golden spoon and our papas and others, they were in politics, that's why we just suddenly born in politics. That is not. Our struggle is our history, and that's why I'm telling you, we never ask monetary advantage, we never ask any Rajya Sabha give me the nominated member, we never ask give me this commission member or a governor, nothing. We never ask anything. In parliament after 3 years, I am telling you, we have no single room in the parliament where we can sit. Every political parties they have, but for us, nothing. We
so do you feel bad? You feel hurt about it?
I feel hurt. Our MPs are sitting in the central hall. It's okay, central hall, we are proud of our central hall. I don't mind for that. Never we ask. But why these issues are coming? Sometimes they are saying they are blackmailing. This is always the big party say like this. What blackmailing? If I raise the issue for the people, do you think this is a blackmailing? Retail market issue is my manifesto issue. I have to fight it out. This is not that blackmailing or bargaining. It is a people issue. It is nothing related to Trinamool Congress political purpose. It is a public purpose, and I am here today because of the public purpose. I cannot satisfy one particular man or woman. I can satisfy my people, and this is my commitment. Whatever we said in our manifesto, we will keep in our commitment.
Mamta ji, आपने कहा इज्जत के साथ रहना चाहिए. Have you got that इज्जत? Have you got the respect?
नहीं, इज्जत गाली ज्यादा मिलता है.
गाली ज्यादा मिलता है.
गाली ज्यादा मिलता है. गाली
किससे मिलता है गाली?
जब कोई इशू रेज करता है तो अब ये ब्लैकमेल का बात करता है. You know, I am telling the channels also. Sometimes you people also just news is being feed करता है न्यूज चैनल को कि आप ऐसा ऐसा बोल दो उसको खिलाफ में. That is also very wrong. When I was the rail minister, you have nothing to say, only say, oh तो बंगाल में पड़ा रहता है. What is this? Every time they criticize us like anything. You never ask this question to others. You never ask this question to other railway minister. Why do you bother? You don't consider the middle class people, the commoner, they are also a factor. You are jealous of the middle class people. You are jealous of the commoner. That's why you always, some people, one section of media, it is, I don't blame them. But there are some big house people. They are closely related, and they planned the matter against some regional parties. And when there is if I want to issue raise, is it Tamil Nadu? Today they are agreed for the Sri Lankan issue, but why they are not agreed earlier? You see, if you decide anything, any negotiation with Bangladesh, Bengal must be consulted, because Bengal knows Bangla than any other else. If you want to do anything for Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu, the friends are there, they know better than me. If you do anything to Punjab, Pakistan and all this, Punjab, obviously they are the border. They love and they know the Punjab very well. Like this UP, if you want to decide anything, let them discuss. Bihar, yes, you discuss with them. What is the harm? But if you think that no, then no.
You said gali zyada milta hai. If the Congress doesn't give you, last question, if the Congress doesn't give you the izzat that you believe is due to your party, what will you do?
हमारा इज्जत तो पब्लिक से मिलने से हमारा हो जाता है. I believe माँ माटी मानुष, I विश्वास करी. मेरे को ये विश्वास है कि आम जनता जब गलत समझेंगे तब मेरे को राजनीति में रहने कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Until unless public have a trust for me, I will continue to do my politics or my administration. Just I will behave like a commoner. Commoner is my sentiment. I don't want to be the minister or the superstar or anything. I just want to continue as a human being and the commoner.
So you will stay with the UPA only if you get that respect.
Respect means क्या है? जो इशू आपका है, हमारा है, हम मैनिफेस्टो को कैसे हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे? ये तो बात नहीं है कि हम आज बोला. I have said it earlier when I contested the election. Even now also, even in our administration, I will even invite you, come to Bengal and see whatever we committed to the people. 99% work with this 9 months is over.
Well, can I ask you in conclusion, what has been your biggest challenge or your biggest problem in the last few months? What do you feel the most worried about? What do you feel the most concerned about?
My problem is, I tried to help this government like anything UPA too. I never wanted a quarrel. But my minus thing is that I am misunderstood, or sometimes I have got humiliation from some quarters. They only blame us. Sometimes I feel hurt when I came to know, because the Bengal people voted me. That's why some people wants to economic blockade in Bengal. I don't like it. I feel hurt.
How do you deal with that hurt?
We are not the beggar. I believe we have to hold our head high. And I believe Kavi Guru Rabindranath Thakur, that where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Our head is very high. We are not the beggars. Whatever we are facing the legacy today of my left front regime 35 years, it is because of their brainchild. We are facing the economic problems. And please tell your friends also, you tell me what is our fault. After 35 years there is a change. Now more than 2,03,000 crores of the debt they left. So when they left, now what is my treasury position? If my income, tax with tax all together 21,000 crores. Now central government directly they are taking away 22,000 crores. 21,000 crores is my strength and 22,000 crores they are taking away. Why they have not done this earlier? Why they have not done it earlier? I am not a beggar. You tell me Bengal is also a state like other states. Punjab also there are some problems and Kerala also. Bengal is number one. This problem is not because of us. It is we are facing the legacy. Now if I go for debt payment and repayment 21,000 crores instead of like 22,000 crores, where the money will be coming for BPL card, for the disabled person, for the drinking water, for the health, for the education. If I tell them that please give us 3 years moratorium, is it bad I am asking the money for Bengal? No, I am not asking.
Have you got enough help from the finance ministry?
No help.
No.
I told you, instead of help, they are taking away 22,000 crores. My income is 21,000 crores, including all taxes, all sources, and they are taking away directly 22,000 crores. Then 1,000 minus my treasury because of them. They have not yet given any help. We said you go for moratorium 3 years. Why they have not started the FRBM earlier? You tell me. 2005 every state started. Why they allowed left front government? When they didn't started, why they helped them left front government? And now I have FRBM, I am maintaining discipline, and you are taking away all the money. Now no money is with us. We are not asking even money. We said don't allow us. Give us 3 years moratorium. I cannot payment and repayment all the money to you. It is not our fault, it is your fault. If some government done the mischievous things, you were also the parent organization. You didn't take care that time. Why you are bulldozing us?
What was the response from Pranab Mukherjee?
I don't know. I met at least whatever I can, 20 times. PM also I said 10 times. How long you want that I should say? इससे तो better है if I take some Leucoplast to my mouth for my satisfaction.
So would you say that you are hopeful of this alliance lasting, Mamta Di? Last question.
देखो हमारा कोई बात नहीं है. I want to continue with them because of manifesto commitment, election commitment. But only we want proper respect. It is not that one party government. It is the government with alliance parties, and it is not good for politics also. Sometimes they want to manage Lalu Yadav, so they want to quarrel with Nitish. Sometimes they want to manage DMK, so ADMK they want to quarrel. Sometimes Mulayam Singh ji to Mayawati. इसको लगा देना ठीक नहीं है. Alliance politics, if you trust 100%, and if you distrust, just say that we don't like you, go out.
Well, I don't think they can afford to say that to you, Mamta Banerjee, and they can't afford to ignore your views either. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Barka. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Come to Calcutta and cover.
Looking forward to it. Thank you so much.